Okay, I'm going to show you guys this video of these two sock puppets. Hello? Wait a second. Hello?
Hello.
What's your name?
Hi.
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 No.
No, wait. My name is Delugio.
That's homo in German.
You're German and homo.
Nazi.
Nazi.
Hi.
Hi.
Rapist.
What? What did you say about him? I killed him, but I bring him back to life.
Mustache
He
man.
grew a mustache.
Mustache man.
I don't like his mustache, so I will shave it off. Wait, where'd the mustache go?
Nazi town.
Okay, where's Nazi Town?
Are you there?
Where do I live?
Nazi town.
Where's Nazi Town?
In Germany.
Let me go to Germany.
Okay. Hey.
Hi, son, can I get a plane ticket?
Nope.
I need a plane ticket to Germany. I said that I can't go.
Here's a mustache.
Thanks. Wait, I don't need a mustache.
Yes.
Okay, well, I'm gonna go to Germany. Okay, I'll be right back. I made it to Germany and I didn't even get a plane ticket. Now I can lose this ugly mustache.
Did you just poop out a mustache?
Maybe. Hitler is a German and a freaking Asian.
That's Jewish.
Wait, Hitler wasn't an Asian?
Maybe.
Are you sure?
Pretty much.
Are you sure?
Thanks.
Are you sure?
Oh no.
Let's try again. Hi, sir. Can I get a plane ticket?
Sure.
Okay, well, can I get a plane ticket? I don't think I need a remote, sir.
That's the plane ticket to Germany.
Okay.
It was just a remote.
You gave me a remote to get to Germany?
Hey.
Where's that remote? What the? Hey, wait. What's this? It's a hill. And it's brown.
Poop hill.
What?
Poop hill.
Wait, where'd the hill go? It's going down.
Back to poop hill.
Okay, well, I don't like you, so I'm gonna kill you, and this video's gonna be over. Wasn't that a crazy ride with those two little puppets?